how do you turn on or off the iPhone zoom feature? Let me show it to you practically step by step. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So once the feature is active, you can sort of like trigger it or enable it and disable it with a double tap using 3 fingers like this. You can see you double tap it and now it's zoomed in. You can move around, or you can also double tap again and kind of like don't lift your finger so you can zoom in and out and decide the specific way you want to zoom it in. And of course, to turn it off, you perform the same gesture of double tapping with 3 fingers again, and that's what makes it come back to normal. However, if you want to disable this feature entirely so it does not even get triggered when you perform this gesture, you have to go to the settings and on the main page find accessibility. Part of accessibility, the second thing on the list is zoom. So we can get there, and the first toggle at the top is for the zoom. So if we disable it, you can see that I can tap however much I want, but it doesn't work really. So of course, if it's turned on, you can play around with some other things and the way it's gonna like look and how much I can zoom in and so on. So definitely some more things to play with, but this was just a basic guide on how you can turn it on or off on your phone. So I hope that I was able to be helpful. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future uploads as well.